RTS Waste Management, a leading provider of waste solutions in Kent and Somerset, has revolutionized its vehicle workshop facilities with cutting-edge equipment from Totalkare. At the heart of this upgrade are 6 T8 AC-cabled mobile column lifts, with a lifting capacity of 7,500 kilograms per column and adjustable forks to accommodate various wheel sizes. These lifts bring unparalleled flexibility to the workshop. The 35,000 kilogram capacity YMIC platform lift enhances RTS Waste Management's ability to maintain even the largest vehicles in its fleet. Its stability and ease of use ensure efficient and safe maintenance operations. Adding to the innovation is Totalkare's DVSA-approved mobile brake tester. This versatile tool enables precise in-house brake testing, reducing costs and ensuring RTS vehicles meet rigorous road safety standards. The headlamp tester ensures that vehicle headlights are perfectly adjusted, meeting safety regulations and improving on-road visibility. Together, these investments highlight RTS Waste Management's commitment to safety, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. With Totalkare's equipment, RTS Waste Management is driving efficiency and safety to new heights, keeping their fleet ready for the road ahead.